Hello everyone, welcome to Ikshak Academy. So here is a problem related to quadratic equation, and this problem is from RD Sharma. Okay, this problem related to the age problem. At present, Asa's age in years is 2 more than the square of our daughter Nissa's age. So here mother and daughter are present, and the age of mother is 2 more than the square of our daughter Nissa's age. So let us consider, let Asa's age equals to x years and her daughter Nissa's age equals to y years. Okay, as per the question, the present age, these are the present age, so you have to mention that these are the present ages. So here let present age, okay, just underline this. So as per your question, Asa's age is 2 more than the square of her daughter's Nissa's age. That means x equals to 2 more than the square of 2 more. Okay, square of our daughter's is y square plus 2. X equals to y square plus 2 as per your question. Then when Nissa grows to her mother's present age, Nissa grows to her mother's present age. That means now Asa says is equals to x equals to y square plus 2 years. Okay, this is Asa says, and Nissa says is y years, right? So while Nissa grows to her mother's present age, when Nissa grows to her mother's present age, that means Nissa's age will be y square plus 2, because the Asa mother of Nissa and her age is y square plus 2. Well, when Nissa grows to her mother's present age, when Nissa grows to her mother's present age, that means Nissa's age equals to y square plus 2 years. Okay, so at that time, what will be the age of her mother Asa? This is the main thing. When you have already studied about that, when the age grows, one person's age grows, then another person's age also grows. So what is the difference between the age when Nissa grows? At that time, what will the age of Asa? What is the difference? What times, what year is the difference between Asa and Nissa? That is difference of their age. Difference of their age equals to y square plus 2. This is the present age of y square plus 2, that is Nissa says, but Nissa says was y years, that is y square plus 2 minus y years. Okay, this is the main thing in this question. Okay, this is the main thing, that is y square plus 2 minus y years is increasing. That means Asa's age will be Asa's age was y square plus 2. Here Asa's age was y square plus 2. So Asa's age will be y square plus 2 plus y square plus 2 minus y. Okay, because this factor y square plus 2 minus y is the increasing age. So this is the total years. Okay, so Asa's age will be this. Just solve. That is y square 2y square and 2 plus 2 is 4 minus y. This is here. Okay, as for your question here, when Nissa goes to her mother's present age, Asa's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nissa. The present age of Nissa is y years. So, as for your question, when Nissa grows to her mother's present age, Asa's age would be, here is the Asa's age. Okay, now Asa's age 2y square plus 4 minus y equals to 10 times of Nissa's present age. This is Nissa's present age. 10 times of Nissa's present age minus 1 year less than, okay, minus 1. This is the final equation from which we can find out the present age of Asa or Nissa. Okay, then just solve this. 2y square minus y minus 10y plus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, 2y square minus 2y square minus 11y plus 5 equals to 0. So this is the final quadratic equation in which of multiplication, if you multiply, then this will be plus 10, and if you add, then this will be minus 11. So the numbers are minus 10 and minus 1. Okay, 2y square minus 10y minus y plus 5 equals to 0. So here we can take the common, that is 2y. So here is y minus 5, here minus 1, y minus 5 equals to 0. So y minus 5, 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So here y minus 5 equals to 0 or 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So y equals to 5 or y equals to, this is a 1 by 2. So we cannot take the value of this. Okay, so we can take the value of y equals to 5. So y is the present age of Nisha. So the present age of Nisha equals to 5 years. And find the present ages of both Asha and Nisha. Present age of Nisha is, so present age of Asha, that is her mother, equals to present age of Asha, that is x equal to y square plus 2. So y is equal to 5, that is y square plus 2 equals to y square 5 square plus 2, 25 plus 2 equals to 27. Okay, this is the answer, final answer. Okay, thank you very much.